You know, a lot of the time, when we get to a route choice thing, which we're on Yuuki's route, by the way, I usually am like, we'll see what everyone wants to pick, and then I'll just go back to the decision and we'll do it that way. Not this time. I'm already too deep. I'm two balls deep in Yuuki right now. Like, it's not... We already did a scene. Like, we have to continue on. So, and I've already decided the order of things. Sorta. Yes. Probably. Maybe. I'm thinking we're gonna do Yuuki, then Michi, then Shachi, and then Patricia, because she's like the main heroine. You know what I mean? So, also apparently there's more of the common route. Like, what is this, Blizzard? What is this? But anyway, yes, we are on Yuuki's route, and we are doing Yuuki's route, and I'm not complaining. Not at all. Anywho, later that day, I was walking and chatting with Patricia and Eurasia. I'll never say her name right. See, I know how to say her name right. Can't do it. Eurasia pointed at someone lying down on a bench. Yuuki? What is she? She was sleeping with a notebook over her face. Usually she'd come up to talk to me, but not this time. Or she's just tired. Sometimes I'd see Yuuki sleeping on the roof or lying down by the pool. I think she's just taking a nap on the beach, honestly. Or the beach. I mean the bench. She's taking a nap by the beach, you know. Not really that uncommon. They can sense this shit too. How would I tell that? I'm a normal human. Hey, Yuuki! There's no answer. She must have really been sleeping. Let's leave her alone. She'll be fine. Patricia stood in front of the sleeping Yuuki. Okay, what in the fuck are you doing? Hey, stop! You can't do that! Stop! You don't need a spell to wake someone up. What the The only magic that I want to learn is whatever will stop me from turning into a cat. Alright? I don't need dangerous things that burn people or wake them up. That waking them up is dangerous. What the fuck? Yuki's body suddenly shook. I feel that way whenever there's a huge temperature change. We're just surrounding her. She sounds perfectly fine. She's taking a nap. Yeah, you were. What's going on, Yuuki? If you ever need to talk, just let me know. You know I owe you one. I shouldn't have said I owe her one. Work getting you down, getting you tired, you know. Is the shop closing down? No! Or are they making you work too many shifts? Those bastards. What? What is sick? Did they die? Like how she just said influenza. Wait, how does the business run then? That's how it works.
私たちで力になれることがあれば。
That's how the business is gonna run.
アスのためならバッチシ協力するよ。
I'm ready. I'll help too. Also, apparently some of you fuckers were trying to spoil me on what the route entails. Just a quick side note. I got my comment mod deleting all spoiler comments and shit. And, don't appreciate that. So, fucking stop it. Or I'll tell them to ban everyone next time. Why even try to spoil me? You fucks. What's the fucking point? It makes it less enjoyable for me, which in turn makes it less enjoyable for you. Anyway, I tried to imagine the two of them working. Give me a hoozle. But all I could imagine was them getting into trouble. Forget it. That's not how jobs work anyway.
ありがとうございます。お気持ちだけいただいておきますね。
Damn it. We had a plan and we can't do it.
それに大丈夫っすよ。従業員不足ですけど、そこの従業員は人じゃないんで。
Oh, cause she's got like the cat cafe shit going on. Not people.
猫喫茶なんすよ。
Yeah.
私のバイト先。
Yeah, so they're just cats. Oh, Jesus. I know where this is gonna lead. Oh, now that you mention it, Yuuki had several part-time jobs, and I remember that one of them was a cat cafe.
そこの子が系列の他店舗行ったり風邪だったりでほとんどいなくなっちゃって、今残ってるのが3匹なんすよね。
I'm gonna have to be a cat, aren't I? And help her.
団体客も来る予定だし、イベントもあるしで。いやー、参りましたよ。猫の手でも借りたいくらいみたいな。
I mean, I am a stray. He's already thinking.
ノラ、
Oh, shit. The sisters crowded up around me. Hey, wait a minute. You look serious.
スケベ猫。
Hey. What? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
アッス困ってたよね。
No, yeah, I see that. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go about my daily human life and be a human. Yeah, but this is no way to solve a problem!
黒猫は珍しいんだってさ。
That's a damn lie and you know it.
お店にもいないタイプと言っていたわ。
Yeah, but that doesn't mean they're rare. Wait, I don't know anything about the working conditions there. And besides, if I'm gonna get a job, I want to work with my own hands and feet and my own mind.
ノラ、言ったわよね。困っている人がいたらほっとけないって。それが人間だって。
Yeah, but then I'm a cat. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I said that, but this is totally different.
需要と、なんだっけ。
Demand, dearest.
供給ね。
There you go.
そんな言葉を最近覚えたの。
Just the other day. From who?
シャッチさんから。
Of course. She's teaching you social studies? The fuck?
ノラ、私、友達という言葉の意味、初めは意味がわからなかったわ。でもね、朝原さんを見ていると感じることがあるの。綺麗な言葉なんだって。
It is. Friends.
はい。じゃあ猫になるまで5秒
I don't even get. Hey, stop it! You're counting down!
前。もう一回お姉ちゃんとするだけでしょ。
Oh! No way. Can't do this. There's gotta be another way. I'm sure I can help her as a human somehow. I could buy her a cat or borrow one. What about a dog? And hey, have you heard of rabbits? A dog and a rat. This is a cat cafe, you motherfucker. Anyway, I can't do this. Oh, Jesus. Meow. Not again. I should have known this would happen.
ノラ、わかってるわよね。これはすべて、朝原さんのためなの。
Yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm glad they care about their friends, but...
よし。そうと決まれば、明日に会いに行こう。
We found the perfect cat for you. I like where this is leading. Yes. Alright, how do I work?
こうしてノラは翌日から朝原さんのバイト先へ連れて行かれることとなりました。
How do thing?
そこは街でも隠れ家的な人気を誇るお店です。
Really, it's a cat cafe, so the cats just kind of do things and people are like, oh my god, they're cats.
シャーセーアス来たよ
Good lord. Meow. I'm like, he's done.
ノラ暴れちゃダメよ
Yeah, I know.
パトリシアさんはノラを抱えたまま朝原さんのもとへ。そしてノラを差し出します。
You know this cat that's been giving us so much trouble lately? Here you go.
これが前言っていた猫なのだけれどありがと助かる
Her mouth kind of changes into the shape of a cat if you think about it right here.
店長ほら前言ってたパトさんとユウさんお礼言って言って
A gentle-looking older woman came out from a back room. She bowed to show her gratitude to Trish and Aracia. I can't even AC. There we go.
さあ座って座って何飲む
この前飲んだやつがいいココアってやつがいいクリームいっぱい乗ってるやつ
What'd you get, like a hot chocolate? Yuuki and Aracia started chappeling. Why'd I say chapel? What the fuck? Chatting happily. Oh, that's why, because my brain fused chatting and happily into one word. Chappily. Meow. As for me, I just sat on Patricia's lap and looked nervously around me.
見たことない猫がいっぱいいるわね
Thought there was 3. Meow. Yeah. I jumped lightly down to the floor. I felt several pairs of eyes on me. Sharp stares. I definitely felt like an outsider. All the other cats were on guard. Dude, cats usually get on guard when there's a new one. Because that's like, whoa, hold on. Who's this guy? Oh my fucking god.
よそ者の匂いだにゃ。
Oh man, is this for real? This is why I didn't want to do this job. Oh, I'm Nora. I never introduced myself to a cat. To a cat before.
ここからは猫同士の会話でお楽しみください。
Oh, I will. I'm thoroughly enjoying it already. What, you guys can understand me?
当然だにゃ。猫だからにゃ。
Well, apparently you're not doing your job well enough, or I wouldn't have been brought here.
生意気だにゃ。
Damn, that was.
まずは誰が先輩か教えるにゃ。
I'm not like making a good first impression.
2匹の古株である猫がノラに対して牙を剥こうとしていました。
Time for me to get my ass beat. You want to fight? Huh? Bring it on. I don't have these paws for nothing, you know. How do you like my uppercut?
ノラもお店の猫も尖った牙を見せます。猫同士の戦いが始まるのに2分とかかりませんでした。
I'm gonna use my knowledge as a human to beat these other cats up.
喧嘩してる
んああよそのこと喧嘩しちゃダメダメ
They started it. When Yuuki stepped in to stop them, the 2 cafe cats sat down. They're roaring at me. Growling at me. Meow! In the middle of this, Patricia quickly scooped me up off the floor.
どうしたのおとなしくしてなきゃダメじゃない
Fuck these cats. She scolded me. Meow! Let me go! This ain't finished!
こらこらお前たちこの子は今日から仲間なんだから喧嘩しちゃダメだぞ
Nya. 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 The 2 cats stared at me from where they sat on the floor. I could understand exactly what they were saying.
あいつ女に抱っこしてもらってるにゃ。
You're damn right I do.
女に守られる弱いやつだにゃ。
Oh, this bitch. What did you just fucking say? That is not true, meow. Oh, I even meowed in like talking.
ダメよノラ、仲良くしなくてはダメ。
ノラ？その子の名前アルタイルじゃなかった？
What? When the...
そうだったわね。アルタイル、ダメよ喧嘩は。
Oh, because... Fuck. Meow. Sorry, I'll try not to. We had to use a fake name for me or Yuuki might figure me out. So Patricia had chosen the name Altair. I just want to say Altair from fucking Assassin's Creed for me to use at the cafe.
謝ってきなさい。
It's a pretty badass name though, let's be honest. I left Patricia's arms and jumped back to the floor.
神戸を垂れるにゃ。
These mother...
お前はこの店の最下層だにゃ。
There's ranks? Baka. I just had to grin and bear it for now. I'd do my job and then get the hell out of here. Perfect. This is gonna be like this is my first work day. The other two didn't attack me as long as the humans were watching. Oh no. I did as they told me and cleaned up the cafe. What the fuck? But as soon as the humans were gone...
新入り、床が汚れてるにゃ。
I will shit right in front of you. I'm a cat. I have no qualms. Huh? I just cleaned it.
舐めるにゃ。
Ooh. What?
掃除するのは新入りの役目だにゃ。
Just because I'm the new guy doesn't mean you shove everything on me. I don't even know why I'm cleaning anyway.
お前の舌は何のためについているんだにゃ。
For cleaning myself. Oh, Jesus, why did I do the button? Okay.
まさかママのおっぱいチューチューするだけかにゃ。
Now that's a low blow because my mom's dead. These jerks.
床を舐めるにゃ。
にゃにゃにゃにゃにゃ。
Oh God, this one. They're both disgusting. Dude. These guys are gonna regret it when I'm human again.
あの猫ちゃんたち楽しそうにお話ししてる。
Child, help me.
そうね。仲良しみたいね。
Oh, if only you knew. Wow, humans are clueless.
にゃにゃにゃ。なめるにゃ。
にゃにゃにゃにゃにゃにゃ。
Oh God, I hate how he does that. These guys.
と憎しみばかり抱いていると店の奥からのしりのしりと体の大きな猫が姿を現しました。
I was wondering where the third cat was. Is he like the kingpin?
ほら、お前たち。
Oh my God, he is kingpin.
マゾボ様。
What?
申し訳ありませんだにゃ。
許してほしいにゃ。
Damn, he's shitting on him.
くるくるちゃんも言っていただろう。
Curly?
あのくるくるした髪の子だにゃ。店長の次に偉いにゃ。
Oh, Yuuki. Okay. It must mean Yuuki. Sounds like the cats really trust her. But what is it with this intense cat?
教えてやるよ、新入り。
Yes. A low growl rumbled in her throat. Oh my God, you are glorious. She sat down on a cushion in the corner of the shop, weighty and imposing.
マゾボ様。
お体に気をつけるにゃ。風邪をひいてすまなかったね。
The cold? Because everyone was sick? That's right, Yuuki mentioned that several cats had caught colds. This must be one of them.
新入り、この仕事はね、時に涙が流れるほど辛いことかもしれない。
I don't want it to be this bad.
でもね、やるかやらないかで変わるんだよ。以上、マゾボの名言劇場でした。
And then she just fucking leaves. So intense.
バゾボ様のありがたいお言葉だにゃ。
Who's?
図が高いにゃ。マゾボ様は我々猫の中でも一番偉い方だにゃ。
I see. Well, nice to meet you.
新入り、お前、名前はなんて言うんだい？
Now, do I tell them my actual name or my fake name? My name's Nora. Because, I mean, that's how I already said it before. I just didn't know if I was going to go with the fake name now for some reason. Oh, shit. I accidentally told them my real name out of habit.
アルタイルは人間につけられた名前かい？
Yes, that's right, yeah.
飼われた猫は2つ名を持つ。一つは人間がつけた名前、もう一つは本当の名前さ。
Oh, so our cat in real life has two names. But what if he was a kitten? He doesn't know what his actual name would be, so his actual name would be the name we gave him. So he only has one name.
私の名前はマゾボ。でもこの店では
Oh no.
あ、今日は珍しくミオ吉が出てきてる。
That's not bad.
ミヨ吉で通ってます。
Oh my god. Sounds like a stage name for a madam or something.
あんた、働けなきゃ一生野良のままだよ。
I don't want to be a stray forever. A stray forever. That sure doesn't sound good.
教えてやるな、あんたたち。
Wait, what?
この店ではまずお客様のご機嫌を取ることが基本だにゃ。
Yeah, I figured that as much. Yeah. The cat started teaching me how a cat cafe
お
works.
客様は私たちのことを触ってくるにゃ。
I like being pet.
それに対して一つ噛みついてはいけない、二つ引っかいてはいけない、三つ嫌がってはいけない
No,
が基本だにゃ。
no struggling.
お客様に気に入られるとご飯がもらえるにゃ。
このルールを守っておけばここでは餓死することはないにゃ。
All right. So you're working for food.
当然だにゃ。
追いかけられても我慢だにゃ。
たまにガキが来てご飯ぶっかけてきたり耳引っ張ってきたりするにゃ。
It's because they're kids. They don't know better.
我慢だにゃ。
酔っ払いのサラリーマンが「うおー猫ちゃんブヒー」とヒゲでジョリジョリしてくるにゃ。
God, that mental image of just this drunk dude taking a cat and crying into it.
我慢だにゃ。
Men come here too?
安心するにゃ。ほとんどが女性客だにゃ。
I'd be coming into the cat cafe every day. I don't even care. I see. That sounds nicer. So basically the job is to make the customers like you. Kind of makes me feel like I'm selling myself. So what do you mean to make the customers like you?
舐めるにゃ。
I don't... What?
そうにゃ。
But like, we have rough ass, spiky ass tongues.
頑張るにゃ。
舐めてご飯をもらうにゃ。
舐めないともらえないにゃ。
舐める価値ありだにゃ。
So it's worth licking them. You gotta be kidding me. I can't lick people.
舐めるのがこの業界でのルールだにゃ。
I'll lick Yuuki. Not in that way. You degenerates.
いつまでチン入り気分でいるにゃ。
You can't ask me to just lick a girl's body all of a sudden, alright? There's no way I can do that, though we totally already did that at some point.
わかったにゃ、新入り。心ゆくまで楽しんでもらえるよう努めるにゃ。
大丈夫にゃ。ここには可愛い女の子しか来ないにゃ。
Only pretty girls? I see.
何照れてるにゃ。
さては人間の女の子が好きかにゃ。
Oh, well, I mean, I mean...
変わった趣味だにゃ。
What's weird about that?
にゃにゃにゃにゃにゃにゃ。
I really hate these guys. Sure, I guess. I like human girls too. Whatever, I'll do it. It's my job, right? Just then, the door to the shop opened.
来たにゃ。
A mark.
お客様だにゃ。行くんや、新入り。
Yes, I'm gonna be the cutest I can be. Alright, alright.
ノラは肉球を引き締めました。お店に入ってきたお客様への最大限のご奉仕の姿勢です。
It's gonna be that one fucking girl, ain't it?
しかしノラはこの2秒後、地獄に叩き落とされることとなるのです。
Oh no. Meow. Welcome. Meow. Thank you for coming to our shop. Meow. I hope you'll be pleased with our service today. Dot dot dot. Meow. Woo!
もう足がむくんじゃってやだわ。
That's not who I thought it was, but you know, wait, God. Oh, Jesus.
でもグンソムが近くで見れてよかったわ。
Oh, oh no.
私なんてズンヨポの視線キャッチしてハムムムって食べちゃって喉越しファンタジア。
You guys are a little too intense. Meow! They were old ladies!
それはライブ帰りのおばさまたちでした。肉まんや小籠包を食べたままのお口は油でギトギトです。
Ew. They didn't even clean their mouths.
舐めるとご褒美をもらえるにゃ。
どうしたにゃ、新入り。
Meow. Meow.
やるんだよ、新入り。
Gotta listen to the big boss. Meow! Ah! An old lady was telling me to lick old ladies. My mind couldn't handle it.
おばちゃんを舐めると何味がするかね。宿題だよ。
Why is this the best thing ever? Meow! Despairing.
さあ、お仕事の始まりです。
Dude. How can people hate this route? I've heard it's kind of hit and miss for some people. Some people love it, some people hate it. I guess I'm in the category that I fucking love this shit. I'm all for it. This is amazing. I managed to maintain my virtue. I had to guard my lips. I've never felt so relieved to still be a cherry boy. But they'd taken everything else. Clouds passed by above me. I hardly cared anymore. With the last of my strength, I started washing my face with the water dripping from the back faucet when... Ooh. Yuuki? I noticed Yuuki there too, looking at her phone and sighing. Aw, go up to her. She looked depressed somehow, and that's weird, because Yuki's always looks so happy. I guess even she felt down sometimes. But why? Ooh.
具合でも悪いのかしら。
I think she's just taking a nap on the bench. The bench, not the beach this time.
スケベ猫わかんないの？私たちには見えるわよ。彼女の性器、いつもより低いもの。
Meow. I climbed up on Yuki's shoulder and looked down at her phone. She was looking at a social media site. It looked like some messages from a guy. Ugh. At first they looked casual, but on a closer look there were a lot of possessive sounding texts in a row. Oh, no, no. Looked like she was being stalked. Ooh, boy. I guess popular girls have it pretty rough.
なあなあバイトくん、君は楽しいか？
Meow.
私は楽しいこともあるが、なんだか困ったこともあって複雑だわよ。
That's just life in a nutshell, Yuuki. Meow. Cheer up. What am I? Okay,
どうしよっかな。よし、一旦保留。
Yuuki closed the text. Her phone wallpaper showed up in its place. Meow. I was shocked. For some reason, her wallpaper was a picture of me sleeping. I don't know if it was during class or break time or whatever, but I was fast asleep in the classroom. You know what? I'm okay with this. Meow! Whoa, when did you take that? I batted at the phone.
どうしたどうした。あ、これはね、携帯電話って言って、
I'm using my little baby paws. Meow! I fucking know that!
ここに写ってる人はね、私の大嫌いな人。
No, no, you don't.
私がやろうとしてること、やれやれって言ってくるから最高にムカついてた。これからやろうとしてることをやれって言われるのってムカじゃん？
Guess a
で
little.
も知らないうちにさ、待ち受けにしちゃうくらいになっちゃって。やめらんないんだ。
Huh.
でもね、片思い。この人は私のことそうでもないから。君もいる？好きな人。猫にもそういうのあるよね。はい、バイト君も取ってあげるね。こっち見てみて。はい、こっち。
Now she, oh god.
どうしたにゃ新入り。さっきよりやる気の目だにゃ。
Now she has a picture of me in both my forms. I just want to work. I need to get my mind off something.
ようやくやる気になったにゃ。
Fuck you. I've been working.
でもどこかキザっぽくてムカつくにゃ。
どうだったい新入り。さっきのおばさまたちは。
It was something. I don't want to think about it.
何味がしたかい？舐めたなら答えられるね。
How do I answer that question? Like strawberries. Just strawberries.
嘘をつくんじゃないよ。
Smack. She punched me repeatedly in the gut. Oh, she's like up on her hind leg, just beating my ass.
かい。おばちゃんを舐めるとおじちゃんの味がするんだよ。
What? Wait, what? Now I really don't want to lick them. Didn't want to lick them.
でもお前はいちご味と言った。どうやら舐められなかったようだね。
They seem to be enjoying themselves anyway. My everything was violated.
そうわけ
Oh, the whole shop is shaking.
喜ばすだけで足りるものかい。人間はね、お前では到底想像できないほど寂しいんだ。
Damn, ain't that the fucking truth.
たとえ明るく振る舞っている人間でも深い深い孤独を抱えているんだよ。
Oh no, that's Yuuki.
私たちがすることはね、その曇りを晴らしてやることさ。ひとなめすることで人間たちの心がピカピカ晴れるなら、それに越したことはないだろう。返事は
Ow! She started punching me again.
おれおれおれ
Nothing could be more wonderful. But you said they taste like old men. I seriously don't want to taste that.
なるほど。いきなりおばさまは難しかったようだね。
先月グライマイが背骨をやられたにゃ。
Oh God.
ルカは子供に耳をかじられました。
Oh God. There are old ladies who do that? Humans are scarier than I thought.
中には力加減ができない人間もいるからね。じゃあ新入り、あの子でどうだい？
Her?
くるくる毛の女の子だよ。
I can give her all my love.
あの子はおすすめだにゃ。
くるくる毛の子なら喜んで舐めさせてくれるにゃ。
Oh, I know she will. Curls?
とてもいい匂いがするにゃ。
I still don't.
哀愁も花の香りだにゃ。
Curls? Do they mean?
そうなんすよ。結局私今も帰宅部で。
Of course, that's who they mean. Yuuki! She was chatting with a regular customer.
頑張るにゃ新入り
I'll lick her ankle, because that's my height. Ugh, I can't. How can I lick her now after what I just heard?
無心になるんだよ。心を通わせようなんて思っちゃいけない。
It might make her feel better. Come on.
まずは無心で泣くんだよ。お前の声が届けば向こうから心を開いてくれるさ。
Well, to wait till she finds out I was this cat this entire time. I really... I'm turning my back on the others.
できないとは言わせないよ。
Oh no, you're about to punch me, aren't you? She sure is persistent.
あんな上玉舐められないってんなら、あんたしたちょんぎっちまいな。
Yuuki is in fact a fine specimen. Just don't take my tongue.
動物の世界は完全なる縦社会です。部活の先輩後輩など比較にもなりません。
おらおらおら
I knew the punching was coming. Smack. I'm being...
マゾボさんの腹パンを浴びながら葛藤するノラでした。
I'm gonna be used to these punches.
というのも、休憩時間の朝原さんから突然ともいえる間接的な告白を受けて、普段より気恥ずかしくなっていたのです。
Poor Yuuki. I got this.
でもね、片思い。この人は私のことそうでもないから。君もいる？好きな人。猫にもそういうのあるよね。
Meow. Okay.
やる気になったかい。
Okay, I'll do it. Yes.
ノラの心は勝ち込み前の構成員です。
Yuuki!
ステップ1、まずは足だ。足を狙うんだ。ポムポム叩くんだよ。これに気づかない人間はいない。
This is fucking fantastic. Like, come on. Hey, hey, hey! Bat, bat, bat.
おどうしたどうした？
Excellent. Step one complete.
気づいてもらったら切ない瞳で人間を見上げる。気持ちの作り方としては星だ。星を見つめる気持ちだよ。
Oh, I'm good at that. We've practiced that before. Looking up at Yuuki.
そして泣く。
Meow.
瞬きをするんじゃないよ。相手の瞳が濡れるまで待つんだ。
よしよし、おいでおいで。
Yes. Yuuki picked me up.
そのまま抱き寄せられたらチャンス到来だ。
Yes! Yuuki brought me closer and closer to her. Her face is so close.
おやりよ。
やるにゃ
やれにゃ。
But Yuuki, she's just a friend.
やるんだよ、新入り。
Okay, I'll do it.
仲間からの指導を背に受け、ノラは目の前のことにただただひたすら集中しました。朝原さんの腕の中からノラは朝原さんに顔を近づけました。
Like slowly bringing it in.
女性の顔を間近で見るなんてそうそうない経験です。新鮮な喜びを感じずにはいられません。
Forgive me. I stuck out my tongue toward Yuuki. Lick. And I licked her. I finally licked her.
お腹減ってるのか？さっき食べたでしょ？
That's not why, but I mean, I did it. I did it! Everyone, I did it! I really did it!
ノラは床の仲間たちに視線を送ります。
They're just like, you did good, kid. Mazobo! I did what you said! I'm sure Mazobo will be proud of me now. Mazobo! I did it! I did it!
一回じゃ話にならないよ。
Now you gotta keep going. Huh?
ほら、あの子は喜んでるじゃないか。
もっとするにゃ
喜びには喜びを与え続けるにゃ。
与え続けるんだよ。私たちは存在そのものがギフトなんだからね。
Unless you decide to be little assholes. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you when I'm human again. So please, forgive me, Yuuki. Lick, lick, lick.
こらこら、くすぐったいよ。
How many licks?
もう勘弁してくださいと思いながらもノラは舐め続けました。
Are they gonna tell me when I can stop?
アスハラさんの生温かく柔らかな頬の感触やほんのり香る女の子の匂いがとても心地よいことに気づきます。
The heat just rises.
いつの間にかずーっと彼女のことを舐めていたいという気持ちが湧き起こり、
That sounds like the dream, honestly. Lick, lick, lick.
こらこら。
She's like, all right, I think we're done. Get.
ついつい舐めすぎてしまいました。
Oh,
こうしてノラの1日目の労働はアスハラさんを舐めるという形で幕を閉じました。
honestly, it's a perfect way to end a day. Like, what do you think about that? End a work day, licking your friend's face. Oh, Jesus.
猫のお考え。
Fucking Christ. I didn't even get a choice.
神父が妊婦でございます。種が誰だかわかりません。
Oh, God.
おいおい、しっかりしろよ。
What is happening now? Meow.
突然ですが、おでんに戦力外通告するとしたら誰にする調査？昆布。
白滝、
かわいそうですよ。やめましょう、そんなの。ウインナーとか？いや、あれはあれで経済を回している。だし
Stew.
巻き卵とか？
Stew economy.
無理やり放り込まれたけど、耐えている姿がけなげだ。となると、昆布か、こんにゃくか。
Why are we having this discussion?
ベテランを戦力外にしたいんだな。
Eh,
やめましょうよ。罰当たりますよ。え？誰を戦力外にするかって？そんなの決まってるじゃない。
no, it's not.
ガンモよ。通殺し。
That's isn't that like a staple?
意見バラバラ。
Oh God, why did I click? Oh my God, dude. I don't. What a weird day indeed. I love the musings. They're fucking great. I love how I didn't even get a choice on that one. It was just like, oh, you're doing it. Why does it give you a choice? Why doesn't it always just do it automatically? Is it because those other two involved a 3-way and a 10-way? Like, is that what it was? Oh my God. This is, look, I'm already heavily enjoying this route. Maybe I just like silly shit. I don't know. Maybe I just enjoy it. That's all.